Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions, and become a member to support our work directly. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. And as always, enjoy the video. On July 1st, 2017, a 911 call was placed by a man stating that his house had been broken into. He reported that this guy always comes by his house when he gets high to ask for beer money, and that he had come over today, but the reporting party told him to leave. The complainant then had to leave to do some errands, and when he came back around 30 minutes later, his house was broken into, and he saw the high dude riding his bike.
He broke in my house. Wait, broke in your house. He kicked my door in.
Hey, how you doing, man? Yeah, I'm just gonna detain you right now, alright?
He kicked my door in.
Hold on, hey, ma'am, hey, ma'am, calm down.
Can I tell you to calm down? Hey, y'all.
His mama told me.
Hey, how you doing? Brandon. Hey.
No, I can talk to her.
I know,
She's been in my house
relax, just relax. Here, we'll take him over here.
She's been in my house every day.
Let us just at least try to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold his pants, I'm gonna walk him over there. Come over here, Brandon. We're gonna walk to my car.
You always seem to be getting off of work on these men.
I ain't even did nothing.
You high on PCP, man?
Nope.
Okay. Hang on. Brandon, are you injured? No.
Hey, she punched me.
She helped. Well, you probably were trying to get away, weren't you?
No, I wasn't trying to get away.
Okay. Just relax. You don't got no PCP on you?
No.
You still smoke PCP?
Occasionally.
Occasionally. You smoke any today?
No. I smoked a cigarette
Was it a wet? Was it a wet stick?
early.
Was it a PCP?
Early.
What time?
Like 11.
11. Where's your wallet at, bro? You ain't got one.
I got my paper ID.
Paper ID?
Yeah, they stole it when I went to the hospital and got them stitches.
Keep your arm down.
Sure, that's it.
So why are we being called out here today, Brandon? Be honest with me.
She smoked too.
Which one? The one in the gray muscle shirt?
Yeah.
Here, sit down, bro. I don't want you to get hot.
Alright.
Hey, so what happened? She smoked PCP with you?
Yeah.
How long ago?
About 2 hours.
2 hours ago? And y'all were smoking together in the house?
No, early.
Where were y'all at, bro?
On the street.
Oh, okay. She's high on PCP too. Tank top. I'm just saying.
And she on parole.
What's going on, man?
Ain't nothing, man. They trying to
Y'all need a statement from me?
harass me.
I got a 93-year-old grandmama. I was on the way to visit.
No,
I
she
rolled up on him. When I rolled
up on him, he was.
No,
yeah,
I rolled up on him.
and she said
She
that
had him on the ground over here. She was kicking him, and he pulling his pants off of him.
That one?
Yeah, and his shirt was all off and everything.
Okay.
And my grandmama was right here.
Right. Okay.
That's what I witnessed. That's
Okay,
what
I got you.
Let me get my payroll. And then she was like, I'm on parole. I'm like, if you're on parole, stop hitting me.
Alright. Hey, sit in for me, Brandon. You injured, bro?
You're not in any trouble right now, man. We're just trying to get you away from
that's
her.
a bit.
Hey, you got any injuries? You hurt?
Shit, when she punched me.
She punched you. Why was she punching?
I'm
Why was she punching
I'm
you though?
good. Man,
Why was she punching
I
you?
already know I'm good. I just want to go home.
Alright.
So,
I'm gonna close this door.
alright.
Watch out. You got your ID, ma'am?
You got it, sir.
Oh, he got it? Okay. Here, if you don't mind just coming over here, I want to talk to you. Alright. How much PCP did you smoke today?
Me?
Yeah. Just be honest, because he already told me y'all were smoking earlier.
I didn't smoke nothing with him.
With Brandon?
No,
Okay.
he smoked.
He said y'all smoked together. Is that true?
I'm on parole.
I understand that.
No, I can't smoke. I got a pee test once a week for 2
Okay.
months. I got my information right here.
Okay. And you already gave him your ID?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what happened today? You can hold on to that.
He broke in my house.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what happened? Hold on.
He broke in the house. He kicked the door in. ransacked.
How do you know him?
He's a friend of mine
How long have y'all known each other?
for years.
Okay.
For
He
years.
just stays around the block, and that's.
He stay over there for Daphne and Wood something.
You know his mother? Like
Yeah, I know.
y'all pretty cordial?
No, I don't know her like that, but I
Okay.
know she's a nice lady.
Okay.
Back in the day when I was drugging, I would take him home.
Okay.
You
And
know, I don't do that no more.
All right. So y'all know each other for about 7 years, you said?
Something like that.
Something. Okay. So today, how did he? I guess. How did it start? Can you give me before he got here? Were y'all talking on the phone? Did y'all say hang out or what?
He used to come by here. He comes by here.
Okay. Every
And
day,
knock-
daily?
Yeah.
Okay.
And knock on the door. Hey, what's up, T? Buy me a bill. I give him a bill.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And he when he come over here, he hot.
Always?
Yeah.
Okay.
Every day. Look at him.
Well, I know. We've dealt with him before.
Okay.
So he comes over today. Did he ask for beer today?
No, me and my fiance was leaving. He was knocking on my window, the door right there.
Okay.
The window.
All right.
And he was like, T. I go open the door. What's up? He on it.
Doing what he's doing right now.
Yeah. I'm like, what's up?
Hold on.
I'm like, what's up? He, man, buy me a bill. Man.
Today?
Yeah.
All right. Did you open the door at that
Yeah,
time?
I opened the
All
door. I
right.
told him, man, we about to go. We about
Yeah.
to go take care of some business.
All right.
And he was like, I said, you want some water? He was like, yeah, I'll get some water. I give him some water.
Give him like a bottle of water?
Yeah.
All right.
And he was like, okay, can I ride with y'all? I'm like, no. He was like, well, fuck you. He take my bottle of water I gave him and chunk it in my grass and
Alright.
walk off. And we burn off in the car.
All right.
We go take care of business, come back. The house broke in.
Where at? Can you show me?
Your support makes this possible. If you're enjoying this video, consider becoming a member of the channel to get early access to all videos before they go public.
My fiance picked up everything.
Is that the brown shirt? Is that the
Yeah.
brown shirt?
Yeah, that's
Alright.
my fiance.
All right.
All this was knocked down.
Hold on. Let's start off from the get-go.
Okay.
How was
kicked
it?
the door in.
All right. Kicked it in. Where's the damage?
Everything was knocked on the floor. My fiance, he
Picked
cleaned
it up.
Told him don't clean up over a crime scene.
Yeah, that.
He comes in here. Okay. My bike.
Number records, I'm well above number records.
We about to move because we sold this house.
Yeah, that's cool.
My bike, I always put it right here.
What kind of bike was it?
It's right out there. My beast
Oh,
cruiser.
okay. You got it?
Yeah, he
Okay.
pulled like a dummy back on my bike.
Oh, he rolled up on the
Yeah.
bike.
What kind of PCP?
So he was already gone when y'all pulled up. All right. And then what happened?
Okay, come here. He threw all this on the floor. That on the floor.
Okay. And then what else?
I'm gonna show you the room.
Show me what else. Like, what did he throw on the floor? Like, he just made a mess.
Thing of
Just
water.
that? Okay.
He knocked the fan thing down. My fiance picked up everything. He did that.
What happened?
He did that to our AC unit.
He tore the
Yeah,
papers around it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he turned the light breaker box off. My fiance turned the lights off. I told him don't touch nothing. Because I was trying to let him make it. But I said, you know what? I'm about to call the laws on you.
All right.
This is where I live. This is
So-
where I paroled to.
All right. Did he damage anything over here?
No, I mean, I don't know.
Did you check?
They
Let's
went
go
for a
check.
test drive. The salesman was driving. They got down the street. They went to switch, and the male got in the driver's seat, took off with the vehicle,
I
and
thought-
left the
He
salesman
pushed
in the
this
street.
back.
He pushed it open?
Yeah. No, I don't think he came through here. He came through the front door. Cause my fiance, he like to exaggerate. He's so nervous.
Well, I thought you pulled up with them because y'all went to go. Y'all ran an errand, you said, and then y'all pulled
Me
up.
and my fiance ran an area.
Okay.
But when we came back, our house was broke in. He broke in our house.
How do you know it was him though?
Because everybody
saying-
know that he did it. I know he did it.
But that's not a way to say.
Hey, so scoot up. So this is what we got to prove. We got to prove that he indeed was the one that broke in here. You see what I'm saying?
Didn't nobody see it.
I know. That's what we're trying to.
He's
I,
telling us that the bike was on the porch. He said he never went in the
It was
house.
right there. He's lying.
I mean, you said you didn't want anything done though, right? You just
You want him to get some help?
Give us a call as soon as
we can do that, but I mean, as far as the
now, in terms of that, Did you put your hands on him when he was trying to get, like, because I got another witness, not her, but someone else, told us that you were getting in a fight with him. Because his lip is busted. And I want you to tell me the truth, because if you're so concerned, we need to know the facts in this case. Because if not, we might have to put you as a suspect. But if you're honest with us and you tell us what's going on, then we can help you. You see what I'm saying? So what happened?
I did put my hands on him.
Okay, so what happened?
Because I was angry.
So you came here, you saw the stuff taken down, whatever,
Yeah.
and then he was outside, you rode up with the bike, and then what happened?
I punched him.
Okay, and then what happened?
I had a few punches on him.
Okay, all right. So you took him to the ground, I'm guessing, and he fell down probably? All right,
I was angry.
all right. Did he hit you back?
No, he didn't hit me back because he know he was wrong.
Right, and I understand that. All right, and then what happened?
We held him here until we kept calling and calling until you guys popped up.
Pulled up? All right. All right. All right, I got the story.
Obligation has his driver's license.
All right. This is your house, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did do you want to press charges on him
No.
for burglary of a residence?
I just want him to get some help.
Okay. Do you want to press charges on him for burglary of residence? If he goes to jail, he's not going to have PCP in his system. He's not going to have alcohol. He's not going to have any of those drugs that's going to be affecting his brain. Okay? All we pretty much have right now is a report. Plain and simple. We got your statement, we got his, and we got your fiance's statement. All right?
Yes, sir.
Did you see him on the bike when he was coming? Okay. Okay. So this is what I got to ask you. We can basically prove the burglary of residence.
Yes, sir.
You didn't give him permission to be in the house, right?
No.
He doesn't have no property or anything, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Would you be willing to press charges on him for burglary of residence? Okay. I mean, you go to court and you do all that to press charges on him, right? Because if not, I mean, this is what we got right now, okay? Would you be willing to go to court and testify?
Yes, I would. But
For the burglary of your residence?
Yes, I would. But
Okay.
we're about to move out this house.
Well, this is for today, though. You
Yes,
see what I'm
sir.
saying?
Yes, sir.
All right. Where are you moving to?
We don't know. We sold this house.
Okay.
And we have to the end of.
Is it the money that you're gonna get from that? Y'all gonna get another place?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. All right.
And I have to let my parole officer know because I can get in trouble for that.
For this?
For change the address.
Yeah. You need to let them know.
Yeah.
All right.
But I gotta go report.
So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna call the district attorney. I'm gonna give him your statement, his statement, and his statement.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go on about that. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Just hang out. All right, man. Brandon, look at me, man. I rolled down the windows for you, all right? What happened today? Let's start off with this. You came over here, right? Okay. What time did you come over here? Earlier, right? All right. So did you already smoke the PCP before you came here?
No.
Okay. So you pulled up here, and what happened? You walked here, right? Okay. So when you walked here, what happened?
See, we was talking.
That's your friend, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all were talking, and then what happened? She said she had to leave or something?
Yeah.
Okay. And then she left, right?
Mm-hmm.
What did you do?
I sat up outside on the porch.
Okay. So when you sat outside on the porch after they left, what did you do?
I'm just sitting there.
You're just chilling? Okay. So after you're just chilling there,
I was waiting on them to come
you're
back.
waiting on them to come back? Okay. Did you wait the whole time for them to come back?
Yes.
Okay. So when you waited for them to come back, what happened?
Then she punched me upside my head.
Why did she punch you upside your head?
Talking about I stole a bike.
That bike right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you take the bike?
I did not take no bike.
Did you roll with the bike? Did you go down the street and then come back?
No, I ain't leave with the bike, officer.
Okay.
He was in front of the driveway.
It was in front of the driveway?
Why would somebody sit there? I could have been in left. You get what I'm saying?
Why are they telling me that you went inside the house and knocked over a couple things?
I ain't knocked over. Probably when I in between.
So did you go inside the house then?
While they was there?
Huh?
While they was there?
While you were there?
Yeah.
Okay. She let you in? Okay, what were y'all doing inside?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Did you come by and ask for a beer? For her to buy you a beer? No?
No.
Alright. So after they left, did you stay inside the house?
No, I ain't stay up. I was outside the house.
You just told me y'all were inside the house.
We was outside the house.
So you never went inside the house then?
No.
Okay then, that's what we're getting at. So after they left, did you go inside the house?
How I'm gonna get in inside the house?
You tell me, man.
Hey.
Was the door unlocked and you went in?
No, the door was locked.
The door was locked?
Yes.
Okay. And then when,
The bike was already outside.
okay, you never took it down the street or anything?
No, I ain't take no bike outside the street. The bike was sitting there when they pulled
Because
up.
they're saying that you took it, man.
I ain't take no bicycle.
No?
No, I ain't taking people. I'd have 2 bicycles stolen from me earlier today.
Okay.
She purchased that bicycle by 3-4 months ago.
Okay.
I don't want no bicycle. I want to roll on 4 wheels.
Alright.
That's my homegirl.
Right. Alright, man. We gotta call the district attorney right now, and then they're gonna determine whether they're gonna press charges. So all we do is just bring the facts. We don't press charges. Okay, so we have, whenever we're on a scene, whether it is, we have to call the DA's office and determine whether an infraction of the law occurred. Okay, but you're more welcome to hang out over there.
Hey, what did the...
Not right now, because it's still under investigation.
Wait until we're done, and then...
36-year-old Brandon McWashington was arrested for 1 count of felony burglary of a habitation and would end up spending 3 years as a resident of the Texas Department of Corrections. He would also pay a $250 fine.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hold up.
Watch your hair, bro.
Treat me like a dog.
I'm not trying to treat you like a dog, man. Can you get out on your own?
Yeah.
All right, go.
Come on, here.
All right, man. Let's quit complaining. Get your shoe. I'm gonna pull your pants up, bro.
You could have took me straight to the county, man.
No, I'm not taking you straight to the county. Hey, don't worry about it. I'll get it.
You got me sitting up in here.
No, you're not gonna grow. Yeah.
Miss me?
Give me this paper ID.
Yeah.
No. It's a felony. Hold your pants, bro. Hold that part. Let's go. Hold your pants, bro. There you go.
So what you talking about?
Burglary of a habitation, man.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.